Hello everyone and welcome back to Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log in 401k. It is a very simple and easy step, so just stick with me till the end and you will be good to go. Now first of all, open a web browser of your choice. I'm using a web browser called Brave because it is pretty efficient. Now all you have to do is go to the website, that is login.adp.com/welcome. I repeat, login.adp.com/welcome. Simply go to the website and you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is tap on the select and select the preferred option that you want. I'm simply selecting the I am a financial advisor for a company that uses ADP. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the next button that is in blue color. Simply tap on next and wait for a while and it will show you something like this. Now all you have to do is tap on the drop down arrow right beside the ADP advisor access or any selection you have done before that. Tap on it and you will see something like this. Now all you have to do is tap on the sign in option. Wait for a while till it loads and all you have to do is simply type your user ID and your password. Type your user ID at the above one and your password at the below one. After typing all your credentials, all you have to do is tap on sign in and you will be good to go and you will be logged into your 401k. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.